Hello viewers, I am T. Sneha from 3rd DCOM C, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Welcome to my video. In this video, we see meaning and forms of industrial dispute. Definition of industrial dispute. According to Industrial Dispute Act 1947, industrial dispute is any dispute or difference between workmen or between workmen and workmen which is concerned with the employment or terms of employment with or the conditions of labor of any person. Next we see concept of industrial dispute. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between employees and employers and workmen or between workmen or workmen which is connected with the employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or with the condition of labor of any person. The definition and concept of industrial dispute contains same meaning in different words. Let me see the concept of industrial dispute in simple words. Industrial dispute is a disagreement between workers and management for overpay, working conditions, hours of work, etc. It is the argument or dispute between employer and employee or employee and employee. Next we see the forms of industrial dispute. There are 4 types of forms in industrial dispute. First one, strike. Second one, picketing. Third one, lockout. Fourth one, get out. First we see about the strike. In strike, it is classified into 5 types. Number 1, economic strike. This strike is made by the employees to fulfill their economic demands like increase of wages, salaries or bonus, etc. Number 2, sympathetic strike. This type of strike is done by the employees to express the sympathy for the injustice being done any member of his union. Number 3, general strike. This type of strike which is done by all the trade union members in industry for accepting the demands of all the workers in industry. Number 4, sit-down strike. The sit-down strike is also known as pen-down strike. The name of strike represents the meaning of the strike. The workers don't leave the workplace but stop the work by sitting there till accept the demands. Number 5, slow-down strike. In this type of strike, the employees did not stop the work but they reduced the speed of doing work, which is decreased the output also. It is one of the low risk and costly way for employees to put pressure on employers. Next we see the another form of industrial dispute. It is lockout. It is done by the management or employer to put pressure on the employees for accept their demands and condition which is given by the employers. Next we see get out. Get out is Hindi word which means to surround. It is the one of the tactic way used by the labor activities or union leaders. It is similar to picketing. The workers surround the workplace or organization. They don't leave the employer to go out from the workplace until the demands fulfilled. It is also called encirclement. Next we see the last form of industrial dispute, picketing. When employers don't take any action for fulfill the demands of the employees, then all the employees together and sit front of the company's gate. It is also called the now. Next we see some interesting and mass example for industrial dispute. The 2020 Indian General Strike. On 26 November 2020, a mass general strike was made by the 10 trade unions to support the farmers. Left-wing parties, Communist Party, Indian National Congress also involved in general strike. Nearly 250 million, it means 25 crore people took part in the general strike. It is one of the mass and historical example for industrial strike or industrial dispute. Through this video, we understand the meaning and forms of industrial dispute. Thank you for watching my video.